Okay, so I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to check out the 4 Points by Sheraton Miami Airport Hotel. We just got off one cruise and we're actually getting on another on tomorrow. And so we booked this as the pre-cruise hotel for the second leg of our stay. And let's just say it was a mistake. I mean, you can just see the carpet is just really old. The doors, it's just a very old hotel. I thought with it being the Marriott brand that it would at least be equivalent to like a Residence Inn or a Fairfield Inn, that it would have, you know, maybe not the modern, you know, full service amenities, but that it would be nice. Well, you know, not so much. So this is the room when you enter. You can see the bathroom door is actually like a sliding door. The flooring in here, I guess it's a faux wood, but it leaves a lot to be desired. There's a full-length mirror here, or not a full-length mirror, but a mirror over the vanity. I mean, they have upgraded the vanity area, so you do have the marble countertops. So that's, you know, the full marble countertops. So that's decent. The toilet, we don't even have a full roll of toilet paper. And then the shower has the subway tiles and the rain shower head, you know, so that's decent. One of the towels, I guess that's the towel for the shower, so that must be why it's on the floor. That's what I'm gonna assume. There's a little chest here with a coffee station and you know, the ironing board, hangers, a luggage rack, ice bucket. You know, here's the carpet. I don't think I take my shoes off in here, but you know, that's just me. It does have a microwave, so that's nice. And a little mini fridge. We've already gone to the store, so we've got some of our stuff out here, but there's a little desk, a little roller chair, flat screen TV. It does have, you know, the old-fashioned style air conditioner, a window air conditioner. And then here's the bed. There's a little drawer on each side with a light, night light, and then you've got a little chair in the corner with an additional standing light. And so you can see the view from this way when you're facing the door. And then let me open these curtains. And we can survive here for the night, but it's not my thing, I gotta tell you. So this is the view from the window. This is the parking lot. You can see the highway over there. And I think I heard a train a little bit ago. So it's by a train track. But this is a room. I mean, if you're looking for someplace to just stay for a night and you don't mind like having an older hotel slash motel, then, you know, maybe this is a choice for you. But if you want something a little bit more high-end, you know, I would avoid this hotel, but I'll let you be the judge. We paid for this hotel $253 a night. So, you know, I don't know. It's definitely not worth the money, but you know, it's also Miami prices. So maybe you get what you paid for.